Meaning of sly. Sly as an adjective means being clever in a secretive or tricky way. It often suggests someone is sneaky, cunning, or mischievous, but sometimes playfully rather than in a bad sense. Examples with sly. She gave him a sly smile as if she knew something he didn't. The sly fox tricked the farmer and stole the chickens. He made a sly remark about her cooking, pretending it was a compliment. With a sly look, the child hid the cookies behind his back. Don't be fooled by his polite manner. He's a sly businessman who always gets the better deal. Short story using sly. Tom walked into the office with a sly grin on his face. His coworkers immediately knew he was up to something. "Why are you smiling like that?" Sarah asked. "Oh, no reason," Tom replied, giving her a sly look. A few minutes later, everyone discovered he had secretly decorated the boss's office with balloons for her birthday. The trick was playful, not mean. Classic Tom, always sly in a fun way.